School Teachers Association, but Kagaro Hills Deficit School Teachers and Employees Association. Ni wan khamat jumpi pat ba ban ya thu ya pi ba ngila ya leng ba bun ki jing e la bun snem mat bun banai menta bat ngila ti ki jing khang jongkin nong sen shar jungi bakin ngap ya ki jing kerpat ki jongi bat ya ka hok ban ai ka hok ka jongi la bun banai henry menta ngila kendu mo siang bat kani ka jing kerpat college ki nong penyat school syaki kemi ki kpa jongi kena school jongi syaki kena school ki ba ki jongi syaki para nonghikai ki bidon haki different association ki different categories of teachers naduk ki university saduk ki college but secondary higher secondary primary schools lower primary schools bakin sngo thu bat ki pat ba baro bakin sngo thu ba mangi menta ngila poi ka hadu urendang ngimla shu ban le da kumwei ti ka joint action committee nalo mengila ai ka ultimatum haka tarik Februari hajar huwei ba ka sarkar kan ngap no yangi kan khod yangi bakan ya kren yangi ban ai ka hok ka jongi henre ngim shimla yo kat ngila ai por ka sarkar khat saus ngi bakan pet yikini ki jingdon kam jingi henre man ka ngap mutlok bet hadukat kini ki sngi umpat khod yangi tang bangin ya kren ru tena kata kadau kajing ai por yangi ka sarkar kalakut menta kasi bat kat ni tarik umaj arpau ngimpat yo kajing khot ai ru na ka sarkar na kata kadau ka baka sarkar kala ngap than tika joint action committee jong baro artli ki associations lengba ka ni ka press release ka kwa ban ai phi bang ngib ki binong hikai ngimban si ban late no ka first phase of agitation ka ba announce ka joint action committee ka ba kentup ikiliki artli ki seng nagaro hills pan akasi jantia deficit school teachers association ba baro kinong treikam bat kinong hikai kin shim yakam lai sngi mass casual leave naduh ushi pau tarik khatwei tarik bat khat tarik jong Lber hajar huwei bakin shim yakani baro koi ka state bat ngakwa man Pynbna bakani ka deka first phase ka benta ka beningkong jong ka agitational program jongi ka bala chalk out da ka joint action committee jong baro artli ki associations. The first demands that, sir, your government is yet to implement the recommendation of the 5th Pay Commission with regards to the deficit school teachers, namely pension and retirement benefits, DCRG, for deficit school teachers, as stated in Article 11.8.2, 2 and 3, page 260 of the report of the 5th Pay Commission. The second demand, that, sir, as per notification dated the 21st of June 2018, your government had committed to disburse the arrear of the revised pay in 4 installments of 25% every year with effects from 2018. Till date, only 1 installment of 25% is released in December 2018 has been received. As of today, your government has notified in a letter, the number of the letter is given, dated the 9th of February 2021, the release of the 2nd installment of 25% that was due in 2019. We are now awaiting for the remaining 50% of the arrear, which is supposed to be cleared by 2021 as committed. A written assurance is thereby expected to ensure the final disbursement of pending arrears by the end of 2021.